Well, hello everyone. Shantae here. I hope you guys are having a great day. So, listen, I wanted to come in and share with you guys. I purchased for the first time the Brutus Monroe Create Your Own Ending. It's a virtual event. They normally have this in person, but of course, due to the Rona, it's online. So I am so glad that I was able to buy a box and I can participate in the events. It'd be a lot of events I've always wanted to go to, but they're always been in person. And at the time, I went up for the travel, or I did not have me a traveling road dog. So, but now I got me a traveling road dog, so I'll go. But um, I'm so happy this is virtual. So in the box we have this on a thick card stock welcoming us to the event. It's going to be this Thursday through this Sunday, and this is our schedule on the back. And I like right off the bat, I am not a morning person, so I like that it's going to start at 1 o'clock for me because this is Eastern time. That is going to start at 1 o'clock, and then so that we're going to have people like um uh Tailored Expressions, the owner. She's going to teach a class. Sue Wilson is going to teach a class. We love her guys. Fawn, Simon Says Stamp, some of the Harrier Wigs, Alta. Well, I think she's just but anyway, that's gonna be teaching the classes. And I like that we have gaps in between. So once we do the class, you can have a time to rest your mind. So we have gaps in between, and then a couple of these are already pre-recorded for us. So I want to just show you what I got in my box. All right, so I'm just gonna grab. This is I don't know what this is. It don't have no name. But anyway, this is the first bag, and so it is. They said some of this stuff hadn't been released yet. Some little notebooks that Fawn gave us to write in. And then this is an apron. And the guy said, who did the unboxing, said that they wanted us to like use this apron as a, like to wipe our hands on, so it'll be all stained up and pretty when we get through, all like sort of like mixed media feel. So that's the front of that. And it got the pockets in the down here, the two pockets. And then we got this it's called Chroma Mist. It's like a fall colors of that. Oh, and I will say this. You guys know that I contacted them before I decided to buy the box. And I asked them like would I have access to the classes afterwards? And they was like, yes. But I forgot to ask them, was it gonna be any Halloween stuff? You guys know that I don't do Halloween projects. Honestly, just to well, at this point, I don't do Halloween, period. I just want to try to protect my son. He's very sensitive, so I'm very fun about what I bring in my house. There is some Halloween projects in this box. But I'm not upset about it because I did not ask. And I'm sort of excited at the same time to learn some different techniques. So that was the apron. We got the sprays. This is a make and take package. And it shows you the make and take, the day and time. They got all it already worked out. They did also provide us a list of other stuff. If we wanted to use, we could, like extra stuff. So like, I don't know what this is. This is a make and take from Impression Obsession. I'm not going to take everything out. I just want to give, because y'all know if I drop something, this is going to be it. So this is like a card, a make and take card with that image right there and some other stuff on it. These are like some adhesive dots. This is a Simon Says stamp one. They gave us a full stamp set. I think he said it was from last year. You got other pieces in there, but that is the stamp set. So cute. And some of the stuff is already did for us. Like this is stamped out. So I'm looking forward to learning some new techniques to try to help me come on out the, not only come out the hole, but stay from out the hole. Like this is a thermal web. You can tell that's gonna be like Halloween-ish type, fall-ish. And we have, I know we have some new there before released foil sheets in there, toner sheets right there, because he talked about that in the reveal. And then you got these images. That one, this gonna be a long video. This is another one from Brutus himself, another making tape. And then this one got the stamp set. And that, what is that? Some ink. And then this is a, I believe this is a stencil from Crafter's Companion. Yes. This stencil right here. And you got other paper in the back of that. And I can't remember how much it was. If I don't forget, I'll leave a link to the, even though this sold out, obviously, I'll leave a link to this if I can find it. This is the one from Spellbinders. See, and I'm going to have to clean off my whole table. Get all this junk from around me so I can actually do, yeah, it's got cutouts and stuff. Like it's going to be like a winter card. Like that's a polar bear or something. But these are what all came in the making tapes. And I got a busy week. This going up Wednesday. This starts Thursday. Ooh, it's going to be tight trying to get all this ready so I can actually make the stuff. Okay, so next up is this right here. This is a class from Brutus and Heather is gonna teach it. Now, this is one of those big old tags that I had. I mean, it's so big it won't even fit in the screen. One of those big tags from Tim Holtz and a stencil. And I bought these to use, and I sent Faye one, but I haven't did anything with it, so I'm so excited about this. So this, in this kit, you got a stamp. I think that hadn't been released yet. This stuff. These acrylic with gesso. And we got some paste, media paste. We got a customized background and some more paper. So that's exciting. I can't remember how many classes total it's going to be, but I'll show you the thing. So that's that. Another class we have is this is Christopher Allen, the owner of Brutus Monroe. He's teaching this class Thursday. And we got aqua pigments. Look at all of those. I mean, this pencil, the watercolor brush. This is it's a glow in the dark, but it's shaker mix, but it's like it's glow in the dark. I'm not for sure. And oh, these are mini slim lines, and so you get the panels, the cards, the panels to go with them, the envelope, the card. They give you all of that that's in here. So that's gonna be fun. Okay, the next one, and I like how everything is labeled. This is I think maybe this is the class that Sue Wilson is gonna teach, but it's Creative Expression Sunday. Yes, Sue Wilson is gonna teach this class. Yes, and I will be in church, but I'll catch the replay and get caught up, because normally by that time I'll be still getting my praise and worship on. So we got all kind of papers in here. Y'all know they do it big over there. So you got die cuts. This is a die cuts as well as the die. I think this got another die, don't it? One of them got 2 dies. And just trying to make sure. Because like I said, I don't want to lose anything. Okay, it's just 1 die in here. I thought one of them packages got 2 dies. But we got this stuff right here. Pearlescent Mister. Never seen that. Some glitter. And some fluffy stuff from them. Cosmic Shimmer. So that's going to be fun. Something new to play with. That I've never played with any of those. I thought that had 2 dies. It may be the other one though. Okay. Then we have this right here is a Hero Arts class. So we got dot cuts at the bottom. Sentiments right here. We have, you get a full background stamp, wooden plank background stamp. We get a mask, a masking from Christopher. More die cuts. What is all this other stuff? Other papers. More die cuts at the bottom. That goes with this class. Like I said, I pray I don't drop nothing. That's Hero Arts. Alright, next we have up Altenew. This is Altenew's class. You get that stamp, that die, that 3D embossing folder, and paper and cardstock with this one. Yes, we got cardstock and paper with this from Altenew. So that's them. The Altenew class. Tailored Expression. This is the class that she's gonna teach. This is you get this mask and the inlay with that. This stamp set, which I know I won't use again. You got the card pieces, other pieces, and then you got some embossing powder from Brutus in there as well. So I'll just see what I'm gonna do with this stamp after the class. Like I said, I know I won't be using it again. Okay, this is the one that has. So this is another creative expression class right here. So you get, this is interesting. You get this die right here that I've never seen. That die, the Christmas wishes die, and then these embossed piece. This pink sparkle, clothespins, foil, paper, and other cardstock in this one to make whatever this card is going to be, or project. I don't know what it's going to be. But it's an 1.5-hour class. Okay, and then we have a junk. Come to find out, he told us in the reveal This is a junk journal link class, and I'm excited because I've always wanted to make one, but I always been too chicken to do my own. And of course, it's the Halloween themed. Michael is teaching this one. So you get this. This is a huge stamp set. 6x8 stamp set right here. And then you get all types of different papers and mediums and bags, and look at that vellum. I mean, you just get all that, as well as a this Brutus color, a gray chroma mist. So that's gonna be fun for me to learn how to do the junk journal. So I'm excited about that. And like I said, I won't use that stamp set again. Lawn Fawn. This is a one that's on Sunday night, the Lawn Fawn one. So you got I don't know if this a stencil. You get like a wave type stencil. This die. This stamping die. You got papers, a gable box. Papers, gable box, and more papers for that. And the same thing, I won't use these. Again, not complaining though. Because I should have asked. But it's going to be fun to play with either way. And then the last thing is from Simple Stories. We have a whole kit from them. It's going to be layouts. You already see the thing. It's going to be layouts. And they have like a template thing in here for doing laying out photos and stuff. So that's going to be fun. But this is, from my understanding, this is an entire kit. Right there. Yes. So I am excited. Even though we got the Halloween stuff in here, I'm still excited because I get to learn new techniques. Do stuff that I have never did before. Probably would have never did before. So yeah, so all I have to do is just clean off my whole table. This table is small as it is, so I'm gonna have to take this stand and everything else so I can have room to play and get stuff messy. And I'm excited to dirty up my apron. So hopefully I have the strength to actually dirty it up. Up my apron. But I'm so excited about the classes. I'm so glad that I took the plunge and did it. I'm trying to see how many. So the actual classes, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 classes. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 make and takes. 10 classes and 5 make and takes from Thursday through Sunday. So like I said, I'm so excited about it. It was, for me, well worth the price. He do Afterpay, praise God. So no issues with getting it done. So I'm excited about it. So hopefully I'll come back and show y'all some finished projects. Now that's going to be the real tea right there. The finished projects. All right, you guys. Y'all have a blessed day. Let me get off this camera. Have a good day. I'll be back with another video. Bye. Thanks so much for watching.